Hey, how's it going out there? What kind of fun are you having this Saturday morning? Me? I'm cleaning my apartment. You might say, hey, that doesn't sound like fun to me, Randall. But I'll tell you a couple of reasons I'm excited. I'm getting my space ready to start having people over and to start socializing again once this pandemic begins to subside. And secondly, I've been thinking about something. My daughter has been talking to me about a subject she's studying in her high school courses called Everyday Fitness. And the basic idea is that the things we do, like the everyday chores, washing clothes, cleaning our home, going shopping at the Mercado or the grocery store, how those things are a form of fitness and they add to our physical as well as our mental health. So I'm gonna get on my everyday fitness this morning, and I'm starting out getting these windows cleaned. Enjoy your Saturday. I think my window cleaning technique is starting to get on point. I've been watching the dudes who clean the car windshields out on the street, and they have this back and forth thing, kind of like. The tricky part is getting the glass on the outside of the window, especially when you have a little bit of vertigo around heights. I'm working on it. So yeah, washing my windows this morning, and what it brought up that my daughter was wanting to teach me about everyday fitness helped me to realize that often the young are teaching the old, and that it's a good thing to listen to the lessons that they bring. So that's where I'm going to leave it for this week. It feels good to be in the new year, to be here creating my podcast again, hanging out with you guys. I love to come up on the roof and spend a little time out in the sun during these winter afternoons. The city's beautiful today. Hope you have a great week. I'll see you out there. Peace.